Good morning. Welcome back. I'm Coach Mac. And today we're going to continue with the number 2s. And today we're going to multiply some numbers by 2. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give my daily routine. Routine is something that you normally do every day. And one of the things I normally do when I first start out, before I teach anything, is I usually move the number cone. And I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to give what I call my word of the day. Then my word of the day is going to be, well, actually the words of the day is name calling. Name calling is something that you should not be doing in school, young student. Here's why. Some people might laugh when you call them names, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they really appreciate it. Deep down inside, they might be hurting. They might feel ashamed because of the name you're calling them. Okay? Name calling would cause other students to get angry, and it could even turn into a fight. Name calling might cause someone to become emotional and cry. And you may think it's funny because they're crying because you're calling them name, but it's not funny. Nobody should have to deal with that. And name calling, especially calling people bad names, but you shouldn't be calling them anyway, may cause people to not want to be around you. Like when the teacher breaks down everybody in the group, you know, like for little exercises in class, students may not want to be in your group. Or when you go to the gym, right, for basketball or something like that, volleyball or something like that, and people are picking teams, they may not want you to be on their team because they know that you don't respect the other students in class. So name calling is not good. So please, students, listen to me. Don't be calling people names in class, okay? And it might lead to a free pass to the principal's office, and you don't need that. Okay, we're gonna move right along here. We're gonna start with some easy numbers first. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is our first one. What is 2 times 3? Okay, I'm going to have to do some moving around a little bit here. Here. Okay, now, 2 times 3. Alright. What I'm going to move some of these, I'm going to move some of the balls back. I'm going to move some of them all the way back here. And just leave out there what I need in order to get the first numbers. Okay? May take a little work, but I want to make sure you get the number. Okay, so 2 times 3. Okay. 2 times 3. Alright, I'm going to move everything else back. Okay. Now, that's multiplying 2 3 times. Okay. Now, here we go. 2 times 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the answer to 2 times 3 is going to be 6. That's the first one. Okay. Next one is going to be 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Now I'm going to have to put 5 sets out. I think I got 5 sets of blue, so, okay. Blue there, blue there. So I have 5 sets of blue balls out there, okay? Now we're going to count these numbers by 1. You know, sometimes I count by 2, sometimes by 1. We'll count this one by 1. So 2 times 5, do I have 5 groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 times 5 comes out to 10. Next one going to be 6 times 2. 6 times 2. 6 times 2. So I got to put one. I got another blue here. Wow. Okay, now 6 times 2. Let's count and see if I got 6 groups up. 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 groups of 2s out there. Okay. 6 groups of 2s. So now we're going to count by 1 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So 6 times 2, answer is 12. Now I'm going to get a little big each time. Next one will be 2 times 7. So I got to add one more group to it. Add one more group, okay? Remember there's going to be a group in the back of these. Okay. 2 times 7. Okay, we're going to count. Since these are low numbers, we're going to count by 1. 2 times 7. Get 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 2 times 7, the answer is 14. Two times 8, we're going to simply add 1 extra. Now we have 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. Now, 2 times 8. Okay, we're going to count them all individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, 2 times 8, the answer is going to be 16. Next one will be 10 times 2. 10 times 2. Okay, now I got to put out a few extras. Okay, I got 9, and I need 1 extra. I have 10. I have 10 groups of 2s out there. We're going to count to make sure, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups of 2s. Now we're going to add these a little bit. No, we'll stick with 1 since I started 1. We'll add them by 1. 10 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 10 times 2, the answer is 20. Moving right along pretty good. Next one will be 14 times 2. I have to put 4 more sets out. Okay. Alright. So I got 10 sets. It's 11, 12, 13. Now I have 14 sets out. I have 14 sets out. I have 14 sets of 2s. Now, okay, we want to find out what do we get when we multiply? 14 times 2 or 2 times 14. Doesn't matter if they reverse, it means the same thing. Okay, so now, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, 14 sets of 2s, 14 sets of 2s is the same as 28. Okay? 14 sets of 2s is the same as 28. The last one will be 20 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, 20 times 2. Okay, 20 times 2. Alright. Now, we know, here's the easy way to do 20 times 2. Okay? What we're going to do, we have to rearrange this around a little bit so you can see it. 5 sets. 5 sets. 5 sets. And one more set, one more 5 set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a total of 20 sets of 2s. 20 sets of 2s. Up here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5. We have 4 rows of we have 4 rows. Each row equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So 20 times 2. We're gonna do this one, guys. You're gonna add 2 at a time, okay? Alright, 20 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So, 20 times 2, the answer is going to be 40. The answer is going to be 40 for that one. So, that concludes our multiplications. Okay? That includes our multiplication. Remember, you can take it. You can take a number. Even if you reverse the number around the other way, where it's 2 times 20, it's still going to come out the same answer. Okay? Now, remember, math is fun, but you have to practice it. And sometimes math you have to practice from the beginning. You can't expect to jump to, you might need to start with small numbers and work your way up to big numbers, okay? And everything we do, the beginning, the basics is always, in sports, coach always talk about the basics, being able to do the basics. In classroom it's the same thing, being able to do the basics. Okay, because math constantly builds. Keep a good attitude towards math, keep a good attitude towards school, and things will be fine. Now, remember, be courteous to other people. Don't call people names, okay? It hurt their feelings, may cause them to get angry, may even cause a fight. But you have a wonderful day in school. Until we meet again. Have a good day. And oh yes, by the way, play ball.